Okay, so I am going to take advantage of the sun that is out and the fact that it's not raining, and I'm going to plant these tulips that I've been meaning to plant. And it is way late for planting them, but I don't care. If there's one thing I've learned from the gardening Facebook group that I'm a part of, it's just do it. Just do it, give it a go, see what happens. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm not sure if you can tell from the light and the sun, but step back. I roughly dug a hole 6 inches down and like in the shape of a triangle. And then I'm gonna put these bulbs in clusters. I saw a video that said that tulips should be planted together like in groups, not individually one by one. I didn't know that. So the triangle, I'm going to put them in clusters. Think pepperoni pizza, little pockets of 5 in here, and you know what? We'll see what happens. I started doing the triangle, and then of course there's a big root in the ground, so it's going to be looking like a pizza that the cheese slid a little to the right, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so I got 25 of these, and I got 25 of these, and I got 25 of these. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open up the bags and I'm gonna mix them up, and I'm just not gonna know what's what until they come up in the spring. Be like a real actual surprise, kind of like having a baby, but not. Okay, lopsided pizza, tulip pizza, coming up hopefully this spring. Okay, who did it? Was it you? Which one of you did that? Did you dig up my bulb? Did you? What is wrong with you? Seriously. Buddy, move. Move. I'm not sure if this is one of the bulbs I planted or not. I mean, like, they scratch in the earth. That can't be something growing there already. Maybe. I don't know. This doesn't look like any... I'm showing you the ground. That's crazy. It doesn't look like the earth has really been turned over that much that a bulb would have come out of the ground in this particular area, but I don't know. So I guess I'll just dig a hole in the ground, stick that one back in, see what happens.